And I crawl onto her stomach, and I get onto the shoulder, and I look down, and I'm like, babe, all those people, they look like little ants. Pendejo, those are ants. I was eating cookies. You saw me. And I got her because I gave her my phone number. For all you single ladies, even for the ones that are with somebody now but are single on a date, just memorize my phone number. It's easy. Take it down, call me, I'll show up. 599, your nalgas are mine. It was so cool. I grew up in a Mexican household, and obviously I'm Mexican, if I say that, right? My dad used to watch us fighting. He'd be like, you guys want a hot cocoa? We're like, yeah! And then you burn us on the neck with a cigarette. Yeah, it used to get kind of rough. I remember around 7, I ended up running away from home. At 7:45, it started to rain. I'm like, screw that, I'm going back. Don't let my appearance fool you. Actually, I'm the first guy in my family to get a PhD. Oh, it means nothing. No, okay. Well, it's just a PhD high school diploma. And just last Monday, I got a letter in the mail said I got accepted into MIT. Yeah, thanks, because Miguel's international trucking is such a hard school to get into. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I went to a job interview, and this homie with some shorts and sandals and socks got the job. And I was wearing a suit. And I said to the hiring manager, you hired a guy with shorts and sandals? He's like, yeah. I go, dude, I'm wearing a suit. He goes, that's why I didn't go for you, sir. I said, but I'm wearing a suit. He goes, it's a Santa suit. And my girlfriend's all like, you know what? You should have gone to the men's wear all day long. You should have gone to the men's warehouse. You go, no, I know what you're doing. So that night I tried coming in her face, and she's like, no. And I said, you're going to like the way you look. I guarantee it. So now I'm single. I love drinking. You guys drink? Some of you do? Yeah? Not really? Just work out? You work out a lot, right? You drink creatine, I gotcha. I was at the bar drinking an Amber Bock the other day, and I said to the bartender, hey man, can I get another one? He goes, Amber? And I said, Steve? I got kind of drunk, and I'm like, hey! Give me 2 shots of vodka! He goes, Absolut? Yeah, for sure. What kind of tequila you got? Patron. No, I'm just an employee. If I keep working hard, maybe I'll become a manager. But I bet my Christian friends $50 that I'd stop drinking. I lied as fucking. And they were proud of me. They said, we're going to get you some kind of award, some kind of a trophy, a medal. What would you like? I said, how about a ribbon? They go, what kind of ribbon? I said, how about an award-winning Pabst blue ribbon? No? Not a big beer here. You guys on a date? You married? Okay, let's move on. Just doing a weenie or... Yeah? Doing a weenie with this finger? Cool, hey. To each their own. I was fucking my friend in the ass the other day. Yeah, I know. He passed out because he smokes. Mentals. And he did the most disgusting thing. He went like this, and he grabbed my balls. What a faggot, huh? That was gross. We were speeding on the way over here. Everybody was speeding, and I got the ticket. So I told my friends, I said, I'm going to tell that cop something. And I have the utmost respect for the police. But I had it. I thought, everybody's speeding, and he should give everybody a ticket. So I said, hey man, what's wrong? And I called him a bunch of names. And I kind of regret it now. Because he called him fat. I said something about his wife. And I said something about donuts. And then he did this. Roll down your window. I didn't hear a word you said. So I rolled down the window. I had to hold the glass before it falls inside the door. I can't get it out again. And he goes, you were saying? And I stood my ground and I said, did I pull over far enough on the side of the road for you to be safe and write that ticket, sir? No, I said, you know what? Everybody was speeding. You should give everybody a ticket. This guy was smart. He got me. He goes, son, you ever go fishing? Yeah. Do you ever catch all the fish in the lake? No, but if I catch one, I'll let him go. My dad just celebrated an 80th birthday, and during the birthday party, we had a big party for him. He had a stroke. I didn't know he was having a stroke. I just thought he wanted to cut the cake with his face. Yeah, I know. Now he's half paralyzed on the left side, so he walks like this and he drags that foot. But then the Alzheimer's kicks in and he drags the other one. We took him to eat. We were at the mall, and he was looking at the colognes. He's smelling it and reading it. I was like, he's remembering the name. We'll find out which one it is. I'll ask him at the food court. I asked him, Dad, what was the name of the cologne? He didn't want to say it because he's like, no, I don't want anything for my birthday. So just tell us what it was. What's the name of it? We don't want to come back. We hate them all. He's like, okay, pues, what was the name of it? Just say it. It was called Try Me. Are you sure that it wasn't a store sample or not for resale? No, but it still smells really nice. And my dad's one of those guys that knows everything. He's kind of stubborn, and he doesn't want you to teach him yet. He's going to screw up all the time. We were coming home from dinner, and apparently the house across the street from ours had a drunk driver ram his car into the living room. So the police had taped off the area. There's an ambulance, helicopters, cops everywhere. And there was an ambulance that said, follow us on Facebook, but stay back 500 feet. Like, oh. And the cop, there's a female officer, she said, what they always say when they don't want you being a pepper. Everybody go back in your house. There's nothing to see here. Disperse, disperse. And my dad said, Disperse, los Lakers! Dad, come here. Los... That's the word in it. Disperse means get out of here. Like, leave, get out of here. Oh, mijo, I'm sorry. Oh, by the way, mijo, when are you going to get your apartment? Para que te hagas disperse. Oh, thanks for getting it. It's okay. You're not all that handsome. Not this for you. Oh, hey, ready, stop. Hold on a minute. Can you hold this? I'll say it. This is funny. What's that? Not much. What's up with you? Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Speaking of what's up, do you like my socks? They're not that bright. You don't have to shield yourself here.